will I say my past week wasn't productive for me? Because my past week was very, very terrible. I wasn't feeling productive throughout because my academic was really affecting my side project I'm building, which is the fintech API server that I'm building. And I wasn't able to do so much on that project this week, and I felt so bad, though I was able to do something tangible. At least no matter how tight your schedule might be, how tight my schedule might be, I still look for a way to do something, but not the way I planned it to be. Understand? So what I did on my fintech API platform, I'm talking about it. I've talked about the end-to-end, how it works, the authentication, the credit and debit for my system to the user wallet. That's for the admin section, and the user deposit initialization. You understand me? So I've talked about that, the end-to-end. Now what I did now was this security aspect, because before I started this project, I already planned it already, that what if this happened, what if that happened. So I already planned it already, and I'm still looking for more questions to answer if something happened. So the one I knew, I just implemented it now. And what I did and felt that I felt productive less, not more the way I expect to be, was adding this security and reliability on my platform. If, for example, if a user tries to log in and they're having network issue, they will click on login more than 10 times, 15 times just for them to log in because of their network. And also still, the attackers, they might have tried this login, they have tried this email and password somewhere on the platform, and it worked out, and they'll feel like, let me come and try it on this guy's platform if it work out. Attackers use try and guess format to log into a user platform. So now what I did is that they can try many requests, they might try many accounts, like many passwords, maybe more than 10 times, like more than 10 passwords, just for them to have access to their account. Now what I did now was that for every 5 minutes, for every 15 minutes, if you want to make a request, or you want to call my API, you should just, the maximum request you can make is 5. Once you forget the password, or you try to go into my platform without knowing your details, at least if you try the first time, second time, third time, fourth time, you're already passing your boundary, the account is yours, so you should know you should know your details offhand, or you should have saved it somewhere. Then the fifth time, once you try it 5 times and it didn't work out again, and you try it 6 times, it will bring this request for you, too many requests error for you, that you are passing your boundary. You understand me? So that's what I just did just these few days, though it wasn't bulky enough, but at least I learned something. So as time goes on, I'll keep you guys updated on what I've built so far. Thank you.